Hello everyone, with Notion Switch here. Today we will take a look at our finance tracker and tell you how you can use it. Okay, so this is the overall look of the template. It's so simple but functional. So let's start now. First, below the finance tracker title, there are three shortcuts: income, expense, and database. It is intended for mobile phone use, making it easier to reach certain sections. It's clickable, so let's just try clicking income. We are going straight to the income page, which includes the table view of our income in this month view, or history of all our income view grouped by the month. We can click the back to the dashboard button to go back. The next is expense. We also can see the table view of our expense in this month view, or click here to view the history of all our expense grouped by the month. Now let's go back. The last is the database button. When we click this, we will straightly go to the database page. Please don't delete any database here. Now let's go back again. Below, there is a quick button section to add new income, expense, and category. If we click new income, we can directly input the name, amount, description, and source. The date is automatically inserted on the day of the input, but we can also manually change it. So let's try to input this as an example. Let's try salary. The amount is $2,000. The description is man's salary, and the source is salary. If the source is not listed here, we can just type a new one and type enter, and then go back. We can also change the color if we want. As we can see, the balance section automatically updates the income to $3,000, and this income will automatically add it into the income database. Next is the new expense button. It is almost the same. When we click it, we can input the name, category, amount, date, and description. Date is automatically added to the input date, but we can change it. Let's try to input it with some example. The expense is hamburger. The category is of course food and beverages. The amount is $15 and the description is McD. You can see the balance is automatically updated as well because of our new expense. The next is the new category button. If the category of expense we want to input is not suitable to any of the original category, we can simply click this button and then add a new one. Let's try this one. For example, let's add charity. Fill the monthly budget to 50 and the type as needs only. The other two are automatically updated ones, so just leave it. Below, we'll see the table of expense with related categories automatically added, which in case is charity in two views, this month views and the history record of any charity transaction views. Okay, we can go back with the button. We can see here a new category is added on the dashboard. However, the icon doesn't match with the others. We can change it by clicking the icon directly and choose which one is perfect for it. The next is balance. This is a quick summary of our transaction this month, which includes income, expenses, and balance, which is income minus the expense. This is automatically updated each time we input any income or expense. When the balance is minus, the color will turn to red and green when it's plus. The next is the category view. Here, we can see our expenses based on the category in this month, complete with the budget, the expense of the category, and the notification of on budget or over budget. Let's try clicking one, which is shopping. Inside, we can change our monthly budget and the type if we want. We can also see the detail of expense with shopping category in the table view of this month, and history of all shopping expenses grouped by month. If we change this amount to 125, which will be over budget, we can see the change in notification text to red, and over budget text is appearing as a warning. Now let's change it back and click the button to go back. We can see it go back to green one. All the category pages have the same insights page with the detailed view of the respected category. The next is the transaction section with income and expense page. Let's try to open it. Okay, so it's basically the target page from the shortcut text we opened with the text under the title in the beginning of the video. It's also the same with the database page here, which is also the target page of the earlier shortcut. So we can track our income, expense, check the budget based on expense categories, and check our balances in the current month easily using our simple finance tracker. You can download this template in the link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. That's it for our finance tracker. Hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.